This video demonstrates the capabilities of Google Chrome extensions when paired with SAP UI 5 libraries. This extension is not readily available for productive use. I hope to just inspire you to think outside the box and build solutions that works best to address any missed functionalities of SAP S/4HANA. Hence, this extension is not available via Google Chrome Store. It is only developed and installed locally on my machine. This extension addresses a specific problem present on some of the Fiori applications. For this demo, I have chosen a list report template application. My free-form payments is used to create, view, edit, or reverse payment requests. There are some published blogs on how to use the application. There is a newly released Copilot application as well in order to easily create payment requests. Keeping that option aside for a moment, let's proceed further. The Fiori application has a Create button to allow the user to create new payment requests. There are some fields that are required to be filled in by the user to get the request created. This is a draft-enabled application, which means it is technically a multi-step process to get the active entity created in the database. On the list report, SAP has provided the user with options to search data, select the columns to be displayed, as well as Excel download. But where is the Excel upload option? I chose this application for the demo because SAP has not provided an upload option on the Fiori application. I could not find a released API or a wrap BO that can be utilized by a custom Fiori application in order to build such an upload function. This application is not enabled to have UI 5 extensions as well. Now, let me enable the upload option, taking help from Google Chrome extensions. For this demo, I have added some restrictions to the extension so that it executes only on S/4HANA Cloud URLs. After enabling the extension, I will now reload the Fiori application. If you notice now, there is a new option enabled, along with other available buttons on the toolbar, and it says Upload. Clicking on this new option gives a pop-up to the user with some instructions to follow. These instructions are only for demo purposes and may be changed during productive uses. For this demo, I have requested the user to build a table variant containing the fields to be uploaded, and I am using that column information to build the Excel template. I am using an external library to build, download, and read Excel files. Clicking on the download option downloads a template for the user to fill in. I have some test data set up and ready for upload in the same format as the downloaded template. These are just randomly generated account numbers and some dummy amounts. Clicking on the upload option allows the user to upload this file and immediately starts calling the create method of the model to pump data to the backend. Once upload is finished, it shows a simple message to let the user know that the processing is complete. Let's now search again to find the new records created. The extension uses the same model used by the list report displayed on the screen and uses the methods within that model and the draft transaction controller to make the upload happen. It does not directly use any API URLs or endpoints. The extension is built in such a way that it will automatically detect when the user navigates to any list report application. Thus, one Chrome extension to enable upload option on all the list reports that has a create button. For this demo, I have created a custom business object and navigated into its auto-generated list report page. Let me refresh this page as well, since now we have the extension enabled on Google Chrome. As you may see, my Google Chrome extension has automatically enabled the upload option on this page as well. In order to build the functionality, I use Background Service Worker to listen to change of URLs when user navigates into a report, couple of content scripts to pass on that event to my embedded script, and an embedded script to listen to events and add the required additional UI functions. Thanks for watching, and I hope I achieved my goal, which was to create some curiosity in your minds about the creative uses of tools available to you. Thanks for your time.